Hello! It's very dark in here, I apologise for the lighting, it's horrible. It's Saturday the 10th of August 2019 and today we are taking delivery of a stunt Dalek skirt that will have a push-through Dalek hemispheres instead of the normal bolt-on ones, which is on our hero prop of Dalek Desmond. We're needing stunt Daleks that can be pushed around, so yeah, it's happening. If you don't know what a push-through hemisphere looks like, I will go and show you. Also, I'll try and fix this lighting for the next bit, because it's absolutely horrible. Okay, here we go. This is a push-through hemisphere, used on the original Shawgraph Daleks, and still made today. This is vacuum formed out of plastic. Get a sheet, mould, pressure cast over it. There it is. We have 56 of these, ready to go on. I think the one we're going to be using on the stunt prop will be slightly different to these, and will be black, but it's just a sample so you can roughly see what it's like. Okay, obviously an exciting development. We have the hero prop, Dalek Desmond, and the stunt prop, which is the sole Dalek, or stunt prop. It's going to have different hemispheres to this one, and well, we'll progress shortly what I'm going to do to it. See you in a bit.